Yep. Good morning. How you going?
How you going? Yeah, buddy.
There you go, the first bit of weather we've got where we could head over to the island for about probably a couple of months, so.
Hey?
I'm just talking to the GoPro. I was just,
A bit of vlogging.
yeah, I was just telling them first time over the island for months, eh?
Hey, this is the biggest anchor you've ever had.
It's a pretty big bloody anchor, mate.
Pretty big bloody anchor you got there, mate.
Go on then, pull us in. Tide's coming in, so we're just going to pull it right up to the beach and hang out here for a swim. I've got this new little pocket drone. Just thought it might come in handy for doing this kind of thing. So we'll see how it goes today. I've just got it on follow mode at the moment. How good's this? G'day, mate. Yeah, check this out. Nuts, eh? There's a lot of places where I can't fly my bigger drone, so on follow mode, this one seems to be able to fly in a lot more places and actually indoors as well. So yeah, it's just a handy little thing to have. Anyway, this is magic. We've had a bit of flood water coming out of the rivers here, so there is a bit of debris around in the water, and the water's not as clear as what it usually is, but still a mint day. Yeah, buddy.
Medium. Follow. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, how cool is that? Just follows you around. Come on, buddy. Compared to the other DJI drones on the market, it's really affordable. So yeah, it's a good little option. You can use it with a controller as well, so you can basically fly it like any other normal drone or FPV as well. You can use it with the goggles. I won't be doing that. I've tried that before. Oh, starfish. Come on, buddy. Yeah, so I'll try jogging. Got the drone follow me. That's mint, eh?
Wait. Stop there.
What? Yeah. Yeah, there you go. That's how that works. Easy, eh? Tim's gonna have a go.
Papi, dame más duro. Qué rico.
Oh, you landed, yeah. There you go. So this is in circle mode. I haven't really tried this too much yet.
So we're here with Mervyn Hughes, fantastic and ferociously competitive test match fast bowler in his day. Also well known for what he still sports with pride, which is that wonderful, wonderful moustache. Merv, on my way to see you, I tweeted about I was going to see a sportsman with a very famous moustache, and people replied, is it Hulk Hogan? Is it Daley Thompson?
Yeah, there you go. I got the Fly More combo, which was a little bit dearer, gave me 3 extra batteries and a charger. But again, I'll put all the details in the description because I forget what it's called. And yeah, I might do a separate video just on this, a review if you're interested.
Yeah.
Yeah. Pretty cool little bit of kit though.
From the 10 minutes I've just been seeing it, I reckon it's the greatest purchase of all electronics.
Pretty impressive little thing. Right, now we're just going to swing around to the wreck. We're just going to, I can't talk with this Invisalign. We're just going to swing around to the wrecks on the other side of the point there.
Yeah, buddy. Get a nice posse before the wind switches.
Anchor up, have some lunch.
Should make this whole bloody beachfront look like glass, hopefully.
Easily, that's the plan anyway, you know?
Yeah, it's better come up, eh? Crystal clear water, here we go. See the wrecks now, boys?
Yep. Wait, no. Whoa! Woo! That's a huge wreck.
current's pretty strong, eh?
Hey?
The current's pretty strong.
Yeah, real bad.
Oi, the current's pretty strong, eh?
Oh yeah, real bad. Oh, the current's real strong, eh?
Yeah, the current's pretty strong, eh? What'd you do? Show us. Ooh.
It's not that bad.
Need stitches? Straight to the hospital.
That's massive.
Big spoon, eh? Reckon you get to the top of it?
Yeah. Can you take that?
Yeah. Throw him in. Yeah, buddy.
How's that for a reverse park, mate?
Yeah. They say if you don't know how to tie a knot, just do it a lot.
What are you doing? You going up there?
Yeah.
You gonna go up there?
Yeah. Whew. God, this is a struggle. I'm gonna beat you, Tim. Oh God. Last time I did this was a struggle. Oh.
Young fella. Can't do two things at once. Look at him, he's tucking out already.
Hey.
Big fella. Just elfed. Elfed. Gotta get some intestinal fortitude in you, my friend. Some intestinal fortitude. Hey? You know what I reckon the secret is? We go across the face. Yeah, I've done it twice, but I guess. Get up. Get up. Man up, get up, let's go. You got a big fella. You got a bow. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You can do it, young fella. Oh, me baby cows are killing me. Oh. Almost there, Chines, let's go. Let's go. Ah. Ah. Get there. Get there. Get there, yeah. Stand upright, hands on head, sucking him. In through the nose, out through the mouth. For the reason why we do this. Let me find a good posse and introduce you to the view. Are you ready? Let's go! 3, 2, 1. Yeah, boy. Whew. That's where we're rafting up down there. That's some mint water, eh?
Oh, look at that. What's that?
That's a little rope swing.
Can I go on?
Hit it.
Oh.
You did the hard work getting up here, mate. You hit that rope swing. Yeah, buddy. Let's go. Hit it. Yeah, you're right. It'll hold you. Let me show you that it can hold the weight, all right?
Let's see.
See?
Fun.
Kick your feet back and then swing forward. Ready? Swing. You want to go again? That's it. Now kick your legs back. That's it. Now kick leg forward.
I hit it.
You kind of hit it. Ladies and gentlemen, you're on board with Eli going down the dune.
Now, Oh God. Oh God. Ah! Ah! Well, that's it. Oh.
That was Dune Cam. Yeah.
Righto lads, we're going to head back across the bay, do a little bit of fishing in the river with the boys, and then head home. Nice little short video for the end of the year, and got a couple of little camping trips planned for January, February, so we'll have a good Chrissy everyone, and we'll see you next year.